How to remove note on Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove note on your Messenger app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Messenger. Make sure that your Messenger app is up to date to its latest version. After you open up your Messenger, you should see on the top section a note area. Now under there you can simply add a note first. So let me just add a note and then delete it. So let's say I'll just say hi and tap on the share button on the top right, and there we go. There we have our note. Now if you want to remove the note, what we'll do is we'll just press on it once. You can tap on the note as well. You can see there is a button that says new note on the bottom right if you want to add a new note. Now to delete it, let's tap on the three dots on the top right corner. After you tap on it, you'll see the delete button. Tap on delete, and with that the note is deleted. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.